Welcome back to Master Kalog, and don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell for more updates. Narito at ating alamin ang bawat partido ng mga Senatorial 2025. Kaya't alamin po natin ang kanilang mga background at ang kanilang mga misyon. Ito ang listahan ng mga independent senator o individual party, wala silang partido. Ito naman po ang listahan ng mga senators ng mga Makabayan Bloc. Narito rin ang listahan ng kakamping o Kiko Bam-Tambalan senators. Ito naman po ang listahan ng mga partido ng administrasyon. Narito naman po ang PDP laban na senators. Kaugnay nito, alamin naman natin ang kanilang mga background at misyon. Abalos Ben-Hur, occupation, lawyer, political party, Partido Federal ng Pilipinas, place of birth, City of Manila. Adonis Jerome, occupation, labor leader, Makabayan, place of birth, Manito, Albay. Ahmad Wilson, occupation, broadcaster, individual, Dalaguete, Cebu. Andamo Nurse, registered nurse, Makabayan Coalition, City of Manila. Aquino Bam, KNP, businessman, City of Manila. Arambulo Ronel, Makabayan, mangingisda, Binangonan, Rizal. Arellano Ernesto Katipunan, lawyer, Nagilian, La Union. Balon Roberto, individual, fish farmer, Pilar Capiz. Binay Abi, NPC, mayor, Quezon City. Bondok Jimmy, PDP, lawyer, musician, Quezon City. Bong Revilla Ramon Jr., Lakas, Senator, City of Manila. Bosita Colonel, individual, member House Representative, Lucena City, Quezon. Brosas Arlene, Makabayan, legislator, Quezon City. Cabonegro Roy, DPP, media, Iligan City, Lanao del Norte. Kapuyan Allen, PPP, community organizer, Butuan City, Agusan del Norte. Casinyo Teddy, Makabayan, writer, activist, Davao City, Davao del Sur. Castro Teacher Franz, Makabayan, professional teacher, Taguidin, Ilocos Sur. Cayetano Pilar Juliana, lawyer, senator, Ann Arbor, Michigan, USA, NP. Di Angelo David Bunyog, digital marketing consultant, Malolos, Bulacan. De Alban Attorney Angelo, individual lawyer, teacher, City of Manila. De Guzman Calyodi, PLM, labor leader, Nahuan Oriental, Mindoro. De La Rosa Bato, PDP, government official, Santa Cruz, Davao del Sur. Doringo Nanay Mimi, Makabayan, community organizer, Balud, Masbate. Escobar Arnel, PM, occupation not stated, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Espiritu Luke, PLM, lawyer, Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. Floranda Modi Piston, Makabayan, Transport Federation President, Cabinti, Laguna. Gamboa Mark Louie, individual, businessman, blogger, City of Manila. Go Bongo, PDP, Senator, Davao City, Davao del Sur. Gonzales Norberto, PDSP, retired, Balanga, Bataan. Hinlo JB, PDP, lawyer, Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. Honasan Gringo, RP, public servant, Baguio City, Benguet. Jose Relly Jr., KBL, businessman, ex-seafarer, General Santos City, South Cotabato. Lacson Ping, individual, businessman, Imus, Cavite. Lambino Raul, PDP, lawyer, Posorobio, Pangasinan. Lapid Lito, NPC, public officer, Senator, Porac, Pampanga. Lee Manoy Wilbert, Action, Party List Representative, City of Manila. Lidasan Amira, Makabayan, NGO worker, City of Manila. Marcoleta Rodante, individual lawyer, legislator, Paniki Tarlac. Marcos Aimee, NP, Senator, Mandaluyong City. Marquez Norman, individual, animal welfare advocate, Quezon City. Martinez Eric, individual, congressman, City of Manila. Mata Doc Marites, individual, physician, Davao City, Davao del Sur. Matula Attorney Sonny, WPP, labor lawyer, Sultan sa Borongis, Maguindanao del Sur. Masa Lisa Makabayan, retired, San Pablo City, Laguna. Mendoza Heidi, individual, certified public accountant and professor, Tayabas, Quezon. Montemayor Joey, individual, physician and lawyer, Sasmuan, Pampanga. Mustafa Subaer, WPP, businessman, Marawi City, Lanao del Sur. Oliver Jose Jesse, individual, businessman, Ormoc Leyte. Ong Doc Willie, Action, physician, Action Democratic, City of Manila. Pacquiao Manny Pacman, PFP, businessman, boxer, General Santos City, South Cotabato. Pangilinan Kiko, LP, lawyer, City of Manila. Kirubin Ariel Porfirio, NP, retired colonel, Dagupan City, Pangasinan. Kibuloy Apollo, individual, evangelist, pastor, Davao City, Davao del Sur. Ramos Danilo Makabayan, magsasaka, Malolos, Bulacan. Revillame Willie Will, individual, TV host, Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. Rodriguez Attorney Vic, individual, lawyer, Quezon City. Sahidulia Nur Ana, individual, housewife, Indianan, Sulu. Salvador Philip Ipe, PDP actor, City of Manila. Soto Tito, NPC, businessman and TV host, City of Manila. Tapado Michael Bongbong, PM, financial management consultant, Bato, Catanduanes. Tolentino Francis Tol, PFP, lawyer, Ginobatan, Albay. Tulpo Ben Bitag, individual, journalist, Dansalan, Marawi, Lanao del Sur. Tulpo Erwin Lakas, journalist, congressman, Tacloban City, Leyte. Balbuena Mar Manibela, individual, transport operator, Rosales, Pangasinan. Berceles Leandro, individual, lawyer, City of Manila. Villar Camille, NP, legislator, Mandaluyong City. Kaugnay sa mga nalaman mo sa bidyong ito, sino ang napupusuan mong senator ngayong 2025? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.